SkyTech Blaze 2 Gaming Computer PC Desktop, Ryzen 5 Review. Deal Discount. Unboxing Setup. When I ordered this PC for my newly purchased Vive Pro, there were no reviews on Amazon for this SkyTech gaming desktop, called the Beast. I was a little nervous. Also, I thought that perhaps I should go for a lower-end gaming PC and settle for a GTX 1060, the minimum required graphics processor according to Microsoft. But I decided not to compromise on the graphics, and I purchased the Beast. This computer rocks. Where can you get a GTX 1080 in a PC for just a bit over $1,000? It took me a while to set up my Vive Pro hardware, but the SkyTech Beast was a piece of cake. Like any other new PC, I unscrewed the hand screws for the clear cover, removed the shipping foam that keeps the graphics processor from bouncing around, 30 seconds of extra setup time, and I was ready to turn it on. The Vive Pro runs even better than the system I tried at the Microsoft Store. I have to say that the 1080 GTX must make a difference because the graphics were just perfect. No glitching. Totally smooth frame rates. I ran the Steam VR Tour, several free backgrounds, the Blue and Space Pirates. Totally amazing. I had guys and girlfriends try the games, and they all loved the VR experience. I told them to look this computer up on Amazon. Amazing price. Amazing experience. SkyTech, thank you for making my VR experience so incredibly smooth. This experience made me realize that this is not gaming, it is travel. Yes, humanity has mastered VR gaming, travel. It is like having a Stargate in your garage. Crazy. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.